welcome back to my channel DCrafty. This is Devyani. With Valentine's Day around the corner, today I have some last minute gift ideas which are not only for your girlfriend or boyfriend but also for your friends and family. All the 5 DIYs are super easy, pretty simple and perfect for last minute. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it. Follow me on all my social media. The links are as usual down in the description box, and follow me on Instagram. I am pretty much active over there. And without any further ado, let's get started. To make the date jar, start by writing some cute date ideas on strips of paper. You can also write quotes if you want. Then fold the strips into smaller notes. Once all are done, fill the jar with the notes. This is super cute and now you will never run out of date ideas. Next DIY is a photo puzzle. All you need is a photo, some ice cream sticks, glue and cutter. Start by sticking ice cream sticks with glue on the back of the photo and make sure not to stick the sticks to each other. Once it is dried, use the cutter to separate the sticks and you are done. Your puzzle is ready. The next gift is this cute frame. All you need is a print of the location of a map, cardboard or cardstock paper, glue, sketch pen, scissors, decorative tape, pencil and eraser. Start by trimming the map into a smaller portion, or you can also make a heart or circle and place it on the cardstock paper. Then write the quote or the meaning of the location. I wrote where we first met as I am going to give this to my best friend. Now stick the map in place with glue. Use sketch pens to decorate the quote. Add some decorative tapes to make it cute and pretty. Then frame it. And you're done. The next DIY is this You Win scratch card. All you need is paper, acrylic paint, pencil, eraser, white wax crayon, brush, sketch pens and decorative tape if you want. So first I made a rough sketch of what I wanted the card to look like, and then finalized it with sketch pens. I wrote You Win and made a big heart under it. Then outlined everything with a black pen. Then I covered the heart, which was to be scratched, with white wax crayon completely. a cute red heart. Then I painted a bee on top in black and yellow. Then outlined everything with a black pen and it's done. I also made two more greetings. I am loving hand lettering these days and you can check out my Instagram for more hand lettering. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked the DIY gifts. If you make any of these, don't forget to share the pictures with me and tag me so that I can see them. I would love to see your creations, and keep subscribing, keep following, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.